Hi, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. At Southwest Exteriors, we offer the highest quality polyurea coatings from Pentec. Because we install high quality polyurea, we know the variety in cost and quality can be overwhelming sometimes. Polyurea is one of the most durable concrete coatings available. Most are impact resistant, stain resistant, and will not fade under high UV rays. But like any product out there, there's a wide range in quality of polyurea concrete coatings, and not all polyurea is created equal. There are 5 key differences between a high quality and a low quality polyurea concrete coating. Let's look at the 5 key differences, then you can understand why some are more expensive than others. Number 1, cost. When it comes to any remodeling product, cost and quality have a direct relationship. A high-quality polyurea costs around $4,750 to $5,250 for 500 square feet of coating. This cost includes installation and labor. A lower quality polyurea can cost significantly less than that, or approximately $2,500 to $3,500 for the same square footage. You can even find DIY polyurea kits from typical big box stores for around $600 to $1,300. So if you want a high-quality concrete coating, it's going to cost you more. You cannot expect a long-lasting coating for the cheapest amount available. Second, quality. The overall quality of a concrete coating determines how well it performs and lasts in your home. A higher quality concrete coating will cost more, but it will have more attractive qualities that make it worth the investment. A lower quality coating will cost less, but it will not perform as well as higher quality coatings because they are not manufactured of the same quality. A lower quality concrete coating may be better for you if you aren't looking for a long-term solution. But if you want a long-lasting coating, you must then find a higher quality polyurea. Third, performance. The performance of your concrete coating refers to its durability, how well it can resist weathering, and how it holds up over time. A lower quality polyurea will not be as durable as a higher quality one. The higher quality polyurea coatings can withstand impact and staining. They will not chip, crack, or peel and won't fade under UV rays. Knowing how well you want your concrete coating to perform will help you determine which type of polyurea coating is best for you. Fourth, installation. Even the best products available will fail if not installed properly. A faulty concrete coating installation can result in the coating not adhering properly to the concrete and unevenness. Ultimately, it will fail. A proper concrete coating will consist of the correct preparation of the concrete and expert installation. This allows the coating to last for years in your home. While yes, a higher quality concrete coating installation is more expensive, it ensures your coating lasts. If you aren't concerned about the longevity of your coating, then choosing a lower quality contractor with a lower quality installation may be your better option. Fifth, longevity. The longevity of a concrete coating depends on the quality of the coating and the quality of installation. A low quality polyurea paired with a low quality installation will not last. It may not even last a year. A high quality polyurea with a low quality installation also will not last. The highest quality polyurea with a professional installation will ensure your new coating will last for years in your home. Finding the right polyurea concrete coating for you. Now that you know the 5 biggest differences between high quality and low quality polyureas, you can understand why some are more expensive than others and which is the right option for you. Knowing your overall goals for your project is important to have realistic expectations for the cost and quality of your new coating. One of the most important ways to find the right polyurea for you is knowing the right questions to ask a contractor to ensure you get the proper coating for you. Above, we've linked an article that outlines 10 questions to ask a concrete coating contractor during a consultation so you can find the best contractor for your project. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.